dolls, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come to you guys with this like a brief little discussion. I learned something here on YouTube and it was called co-washing. I have never heard about it before. No hairstylist has ever told me about it before or anything. I was looking on YouTube for ways to grow my hair. Of course, everybody comes on YouTube to learn something. You can learn anything on here nowadays. So I was looking on here on ways to grow my hair and to just really take care of my hair. I'm natural and I've been natural now for about 6 years. I decided to stop relaxing my hair because my hair wouldn't grow past a certain point, which a lot of people have that problem when they relax, and that I generally have a good grade of hair. So I started my co-washing yesterday and I did my first co-wash. My sister's in hair school, so she does my hair about every week and a half or so. I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. Usually when she does it, I wrap it up and I'll, don't flat iron it or anything else like that. I used to go to like a lot of different hairdressers, the Dominicans. My hair came out because of the heat, but I really loved how it used to look, but can't walk around with any thin hair. And my other hairdresser I used to go to, but then I started thinking, well, I really wanted to take care of my own hair. So what co-washing is, you use conditioner instead of shampoo. You basically like wash your hair. It's no lather or anything. You wash your hair twice with the conditioner like you would, and then you put like a deep conditioner on it. You comb it through and let it sit. So I took a picture of my hair, after it was done and everything. Actually, my sister just did my hair last night, and I will say that like the difference, my hair feels like really soft. Like usually when I get my hair washed and straightened after I get like shampoo, like when I get it shampooed, it's always like too straight. But this time, like, I have body to my hair still, and it just like, a lady stopped me today and she complimented me, even though my hair is only in the wrap. She was like, your hair is so beautiful, like, how do you keep your hair up? So I told her about co-washing. She's like, oh yeah, I just learned about that too. So it was really kind of funny. So I took a picture and I'll put it at the end because I really want to see and test of how this co-washing thing works, if it will work for me, if it works, if it doesn't work, if people are just like, if it's just like the new craze thing, and people are just saying like it's like the best thing since sliced bread, and it really might not be. So I'm going to put the picture at the end of the video of what my hair looks like now, and then in 30 days I will come back and just show you how much my hair has grown. Like some people in here, their hairs have grown like 18 inches in like 16 months. So, your hair should grow like about an inch a month. So we definitely will see how it goes. And just wish me luck, dolls. Like, I really do like my hair. I like the body to it. My sister was like, well, you should get dry shampoo, because she didn't really like how it felt. She said that it felt still a little weighed down. And the reason for co-washing, I should have said this like in the beginning. The reason for co-washing is instead of using the shampoo, because the shampoo strips our hair of its natural oils. So my sister was just saying like my hair still felt a little weighed down. So I like it, but she was like, well, we'll see how it goes. So I only use like VO5 as the main conditioner, and then for my deep conditioner I use this shea butter, this raw shea butter mask. And I'm on my like no shopping thing right now, so I'm on my shopping fast. So I don't plan to buy any more conditioner. I heard that Mixed Chicks was really good, so when I run out of my VO5, then that'll be my next thing, is to get some Mixed Chicks conditioner. But just wish me luck, dolls. And I hope my hair, I really want my hair to grow like down to my back, almost touching my butt, on some real crazy stuff. But anyhow, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day and just enjoy your weekend. And smooches. Talk to you later.